Today I'm going to teach you how to manage stock inventory levels on Xero. If you're running a business that sells physical products, keeping accurate inventory records is essential for avoiding stockouts, tracking costs, and maintaining healthy cash flow. Xero makes this process straightforward with its built-in inventory management tools, so let's walk through how to adjust your stock levels step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Type your email address and password into the fields provided and click the Sign In button. This will take you into your Xero dashboard where you can access all your accounting features. Now that you're logged in, look at the top navigation menu and click on Sales. This will trigger a drop-down menu to appear with several options related to your sales activities. From this drop-down menu, click on Products and Services. This section is where Xero stores all the items you sell or offer, whether they're physical products or services. You'll now be on the Products and Services page, where you can see a complete list of everything in your inventory. This is your central hub for managing stock levels and making adjustments whenever inventory changes occur, whether from sales, returns, damage, or stock takes. To adjust the inventory level for a specific item, scroll down through your product list and locate the item you wish to manage. Next to each item, you'll notice a 3 vertical dot icon. Click on this icon to reveal an expanded options menu. This menu gives you several actions you can take with that particular product. From here, click on Adjustment. A new adjustment window will appear, and this is where you'll input the details of your inventory change. Fill in the required fields carefully. In the Decrease Quantity By field, enter the amount you're reducing from stock. You'll also see the New Quantity on Hand field, which shows what your inventory will be after the adjustment. Select the associated account that this adjustment should be linked to in your chart of accounts and add a reference note if needed for your records. This helps maintain accurate financial tracking and ensures your cost of goods sold is calculated correctly. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, click Next. An adjustment overview will appear on your screen. This summary is important because it shows you the new adjustment you're about to implement, including the updated quantity on hand, the average cost per unit, and the new total value of your inventory. Take a moment to review these figures to ensure everything looks accurate. Once you're satisfied that the adjustment is correct, click on Post Adjustment. Xero will now update your inventory levels and reflect this change across your financial reports. Your stock count is now accurate and up to date, helping you maintain better control over your inventory and your business finances. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.